super sparkly. Wow, a balloon! You're coming with me. Hey, come back. Uh-oh, wait. Bye-bye. I'm Flaxy. Let's have fun together. Are you ready? Yay! I'm a chef today. Why is the milk running? Oh no! Pancake on the floor! Messy, but yummy. Cooking is fun, even when it's messy. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.